Man, it's cold out here. This sucks. When is spring gonna come? Well, there goes my Corona gift to myself. This is my COVID-19 gift right here. Work this over, shall we? Like I said, man, everybody out there, get yourself, if you're an essential worker, get yourself a COVID-19 RC. I'm gonna get some stickers made up that say CrucialRC COVID-19 survivor, something along those lines. Put them on all the cars, right? Let's get this open. All right. I guess you can see this package, right? Y'all like, man, there's no way that my man Crucial has got a Traxxas X-Maxx, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, good X-Maxx, baby. X-Maxx. Alright, let's open this up. I know y'all usually know me for gas cars and all, but I had to get this junk, man. This nice piece. 'Cause I did a ton of reviews on it, and I mean, it's indestructible. Alright? I mean, this truck is indestructible. The truck is indestructible. Everything I've seen online is, it's hard to find. Couldn't find, the right color or whatever I wanted. I didn't want just the regular black one. I mean, I would have got the black one, but didn't want that one, so I went ahead and actually got a good deal. Actually, not a good deal, well, decent deal online for the green one. Right? Let's pull this out. Here it is, right? This is the same one, I believe, as my man Gap A to Z. Let's get it, right? He has the same joint, I believe, the green one. Man, dude, this is awesome. All right, so let's we got the radio, right? Traxxas radio. Everybody's seen these. We don't even breaking this out. Y'all know what this look like, right? Put that off to the side. Let's break this thing down. One side, man. Once again, one hand trying to do this, right? Let's see. I don't know if I can do this one hand, fellas. Oh, there we go. Got it. Alright. I'm definitely not gonna be able to pick this thing up one hand. So hold tight. Let me get this thing on my table. I'll get right back with you. Alright. Here we are, man. This boy's CrucialRC with a Traxxas, dog. I never thought I would see this, man. Boy, CrucialRC got a Traxxas. So, let's pull this off, man. Pull this plastic and everything off. Alright. Then we got the body. We got the green X-Maxx body. Never thought I would have another Traxxas. So I got the X01, of course. I got the Rustler, my daughter, and then now we have this X-Maxx. All right. Now let me explain everything to you guys. All right. The main reason that I got this X-Maxx truck now, I'm gonna say this anyhow. You know, it's the COVID time. I gotta have something to mess with. But the main thing, my son, Lil Low, man. Lil Low don't like the gas cars. I mean, it makes too much noise for him right now. So I figured I'd get a monster truck, right? Now, I tried buying a used one. I went and saw one not too far from here, Fort Washington, Maryland, and it was a mess. I mean, it looked like it was in good shape from the outside, but something was wrong with the speed controller. And he wouldn't try and come down with the price. So you know how I go. I went on and bought the next thing, right? So Traxxas X-Maxx. Now I got a couple subscribers out there that's in the E-word. Like I said, my man CrucialRC. I'm in it. I'm in there, bruh. I'm in there with the Traxxas now, man. I got my E-word. So you're gonna see some bashing videos of this, me and Lil Man. Gap Boys A to Z, Gap Reviews A to Z. Another hot electric car subscriber. I got it. So we now on the channel. We got the serious E-words, and then I got all my gases and my nitros. So I said this is for my man Lil Low though, for real though. But it's for me. So let's get this off to the side. Let's bust these straps. Bust these straps. She raised right on up. That's the strap. Ain't gonna lie, I did so much homework on this thing. I'm so excited about getting it. I mean, just the fashion of it. I mean, it's so massive for an electric car and it's so light. So I can't wait to get this thing out there, man. So also, we got the 4S lipos. We got the, I don't know how to say this, was a Yumi Power 6500 60Cs 4S lipos, right? So I got a whole slew of these. All right, so we're gonna put these in here. So let's go. X-Maxx, baby, right? And I think this is a nice size truck. I can't wait to get this thing outside. Let's compare this to the Red Cat. So let me bring the Red Cat over here, see if I can get them side by side. I know I'm gonna do it on the table, so I'll take you back onto the floor, get them side by side, comparison to a Red Cat and to my 5. Actually, I compare it to the 5B and the Red Cat, so you can see how big this thing is. Alright, so this is got the Red Cat shredder here, and then we got the X-Maxx. So you can see, X-Maxx is a good little ways bigger than it. And lengthwise, it's about the same, right? about the same lengthwise. A little bit bigger, but definitely wider. All right, so let's go over here. Just side by side to see how much taller it is. All right, so there you go. So there's the red cat shredder and the X-Maxx. All right, so here we go. We got the X-Maxx and the Losi 5B, the TLR 5B. Now you can see, man, these things are pretty damn close in comparison. I mean, really, I was not expecting this thing to be as close as this, man, in comparison. I mean, it's probably a fraction of the weight of that thing right there, too. I can't wait to get this thing up and going, baby. Can't wait. Let's go over here and look at the side of this jump. All right. Here we go. I mean, that's pretty close, man. Pretty close in size to the 5B. Like I said, the 5B has a small body. You want to compare it to the 5T, but these are pretty close in comparison. All right, and then here we are with the X-Maxx and 5T, Losi 5T with the 30 North body. All right. I'm telling you, these bodies are huge, man. Like this thing makes anything dwarfed. I mean, it's crazy. But this X-Maxx is something serious, man. All right, so let's go down and see difference in size for this thing. They're pretty close, right? Pretty close in height-wise. No doubt, pretty close in height. But that 5T, I mean, it's crazy long. Look at the wheel. Look at the wheelbase. So it ain't got nothing size-wise on the 5T, that's for sure. All right. We're gonna take this out. I got my ramps. I'm gonna take my ramps out. We're gonna jump this thing a little bit and do a little bit of break-in on it, right? So break-in on the E word. So y'all stay tuned. It's your boy CrucialRC, right? And I'll holler at you a little later. Me and my E word, baby. Just me and my E word. Me and my E word. All right, I'm out.